How to get the best fit and change bands on your Google Pixel Watch. The latest generations of the Google Pixel Watch, Pixel Watch 3 and Pixel Watch 4, come in two sizes, 41mm and 45mm. Earlier generations are available in the 41mm size. Your Google Pixel Watch is designed with health and fitness sensors so you can track your heart rate, workouts, sleep, and more. For best results, your watch shouldn't be too snug. Wear it so that it's loose enough to move back and forth while maintaining good contact with your skin. For the most secure fit, Google offers various band styles and sizes crafted specifically for Pixel Watch. Google Pixel Watch accessories support wrist circumferences ranging from 130mm to 220mm. There's an accessory for any occasion, so you can go from workout to night out and beyond. The active sport, and leather band varieties come in small and large sizes, while the woven, performance loop, and metal mesh bands come in one size and are micro-adjustable. The gradient stretch band is available in 5 sizes: extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large, so you can get that perfect comfy fit. The metal links and metal slim bands feature interchangeable links, meaning you can customize your fit using the included sizing tool. During some activities, like workouts or tracking your sleep, you'll want your watch band to be slightly tighter so that the sensors on your watch can get a more accurate reading. Google Pixel Watch is designed to swap bands easily and securely. Place the watch face side down. To attach the band, use the end of the band to press the band secure button and slide it into place. Make sure the band button clicks into position to prevent the watch from coming loose. Gently pull on the band to confirm it's secure. To remove the band, press the secure button again, then slide the band over the button. Follow the same steps on the other side of your watch to attach or remove the band. For a more comfortable fit, attach the buckle part of the watch band to the top of the watch and the other side to the bottom. This makes your watch easier to put on and take off. To learn more, visit the Google Pixel Watch Help Center.